Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to do a top coat comparison with Valentino's No Wipe top coat, Opre's No Wipe top coat, and the Diamond Steel top coat from A. Galore & Co. And so on the left we have the Diamond Steel top coat, in the middle we have the No Wipe top coat from Opre, and on the far right we have the Valentino top coat. If you want to know what color red this is a color from Valentino. It's number 5, and I did show you it in the beginning of the video, just in case you missed that. Also, I cured each of the top coats for 60 seconds in my Chiara Sky Beyond Pro gel lamp. And just for a little background on these top coats, so the one from Opre is $12 for the 15 ml bottle. The one from A. Galore & Co. for 18 ml is $16, and the one from Valentino is $14.95 for 15 ml. Now, I will say you can actually get the No Wipe top coat from Opre in a 30 ml bottle for $19.99, so about $3 more than the one from A. Galore & Co. And it may be more worth it to buy that one if you can get more bang for your buck. And this top coat worked really well. I feel like it was very high shine. And if it comes down to like what's more cost effective, I would definitely say go with the Opre one, especially you can get the one for the 30 mls, but I really think it's between the Diamond Steel and the one from Opre. Valentino is great as well, like I love their top coat, but yeah, I don't know, I might have just replaced my favorite. So you guys let me know what you think in the comments down below. Which one do you think shined the best? Can you tell a difference, or you feel like they're all the same? Also, be on the lookout for Wednesday's video because we're going to be comparing the matte top coats. But anyway, you guys, I can't wait to read your comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.